Hello everybody in YouTube land. It's Kickstart 51 and I'm having problems with my 2000 Jeep Wrangler TJ. What had happened is when it got cold outside, the windshield wiper would not move, it would not turn over. I suspected that the motor was going bad. And after a while, if I would go ahead and I would grab the wiper and I'd move it by hand, the motor would start working. So I was doing that. Then one day, eventually what had happened is I grabbed the wiper and I twisted it right off the spindle. So at this point now I will have to replace the windshield motor, wiper motor, and the windshield wiper transmission mechanism. I bought a used one, it's right here from eBay. It included the motor and the carrier and everything that goes on. So this video is going to be an instruction on how to replace this. If you were just going to replace the motor, you would still have to take the transmission out and you would have to get at these three screws right here. These three screws right here to replace the motor. So either way, this would have to come out. So that's what this video is going to do today, is we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace this. This is called the windshield wiper transmission, and this is called the motor. So that's what we'll be doing today. So join in. Right, this part will have to, this coil will have to be removed to get at everything. There's screws on top of here. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws you can get at without opening the hood. So we will remove those first. Next, we'll have to take this windshield wiper off that side. We won't have to do it on the driver's side because I've already ripped it off. In order to do that, there's a tab here underneath. So you take a screwdriver and you just get it to slide down like so. It moves back and forth like that. And then it should come off. This is what's left of the part that I ripped off. other screws that you'll have to remove to get this cowl. The other screws that you'll have to remove to get the cowl off, there's one here and one on that side right here. Okay. You will have to take this rubber weather stripping off. Might as well just take it right out of there. I'll eventually have to get some. I will eventually have to get some glue to keep this on there better. The two screws under the hood are definitely shorter than the ones on top, so you'll want to keep that in mind. That's what you're taking off is the cowl. There's a screw right here, and a screw right here that takes the whole mechanism off. You will have to unclip this connector first. Screw right here. There's a screw, there's a bolt right here, and a bolt right here that holds it on. And also, there is this connector here. So we'll have to take apart this connector and these two bolts. This is what keeps the switch together. It's just a retainer clip. It is a 10mm bolt. There's also one more bolt that I did not see at first, and that is right here. Hopefully you can see it. Here it is. Just trying to adjust them so they're in the right position. Thanks for coming. That's it for the windshield wiper motor and transmission install. See you next time.